Tammie was one of the nicest people on the planet. We were married for 35 years. We were best friends and we loved to travel together. Her favorite happy place was our pontoon. Being on the water was her thing. She was passionate about her family, number one, but a very close second, she was passionate about her students at school. It was about 5:30 when she had gotten home. We sat down, we ate together. I went to the other room to watch football, and Tammie is doing schoolwork. And went into the living room where she was, and I thought she was sleeping at first, but she wasn't sleeping. She was not breathing. I'll never forget how heavy she felt as I tried to get her to the floor. And I started CPR, called 911. They were not able to bring her back, though.
Considering we had just seen her the night before at our Christmas party, and she was in wonderful spirits, it just floored me. And knowing Hal and Tammie's relationship, I knew it was going to be hard for him.
The day of the funeral was at Baxter Elementary School, which was poignant for one, that's fitting tribute to have it there. Two, obviously she was so popular in the community that a smaller venue wouldn't have been able to accommodate whatsoever.
He knew what teaching and being in front of students meant to her and how it would matter to her to have this be the last hurrah.
We knew that we wanted to do an event, and being married to a teacher for as many years as I was, I saw how much money we spent. So I thought, if we could do something to raise money for school supplies and things that they needed, that was going to be a good thing.
And the things I think that Hal noticed Tammie needing sometimes are some of the extra stuff you want to do to jazz up and spruce up your classroom as a teacher. You might want some funky border or some posters that, you know, maybe say, I belong. Some of those additional things that teachers usually try to get and almost always have to get on their own to add some of those specialized touches to their classroom.
Pam has had kids go through the school district as well, and she knows how important education is, so it was a no-brainer. So the event is called Teachers Appreciation Day. The first year of the event was last year.
Last year we raised about $7,000. This year we want to raise between $10,000 to $15,000 for.
We've kind of tried to look at student enrollment in each of the elementary schools to see sort of what percentage of kids are each place. That's how we divided the supplies last year.
So this year we decided to go a little bit bigger, and we are having a bunch more events like the Money Cube. We're doing face painting, cotton candy, a duck pond. We're still having the dunk tank. And then we're going to have some of our vendors like Big Green Egg and Traeger come and cook.
People that weren't even scheduled want to be here and help with the events. And for the last week and a half now, we've had a roundup going at the tills. And we've always had a drop-off for people to come in and drop off school supplies.
For ACE to be a part of it shows just the generosity and the true community spirit that I think ACE Hardware has.
Every ACE is local, and you need to be involved in your community. That's what makes us different than the big box stores.
She was one of the greats, and so I think for her it would bring tears to know that the care and the love for her and the amount that she meant to people was there. I think if she could, she'd say, what can I do to help?
I think she would be very happy and tell Hal that she was very proud of him.
I'll be a better person for having gone through it, and I guess I'll talk to Tammie and hopefully she'll be proud.